Welcome class 5 in your science class, and we have already completed the amazing world, amazing animals, the world of the amazing animals, where we came to know about their body covering, their movements, how they move from one place to another, which kind of legs, which kind of scales they use for the movement, what is migration, the mass movement of the animals from one place to another is called the migration. These all we have discussed already, isn't it? Now we will do some short question answers, and then in the next class we will do the big question answers or the large question answers. Here we have completed all. If you have any problem, you can ask me in my go through the chapter, and if you have any problem, you can ask me in my class. Okay, so let's start the exercises. So the exercise first question is, here are the exercises, and first question is actually MCQ pattern question. Tick the correct answers. So how we will tick the correct answer? Question is given here, statement is here. Where does a camel store fat? And the options are hump is there, stomach is there, and skin is there. So where does the camel store its fat? We know it stores its fat in the hump. So the answer 1 is A, that is hump. Hump is the correct answer. Now the second statement is given, where are penguins found? Where they are the polar regions animal. Here it is given forest, polar regions and deserts. Naturally penguins are living in the cold places or the polar regions. So the correct answer is polar regions. So the B, answer 2 option is B, that is polar regions. Correct the polar regions, tick the polar regions. Okay, now the third one is, which of the following animals move with the help of its body scale? We know reptiles. In case of reptiles, snakes are there, and the crocodiles, alligators, these all are given here. But alligators and crocodiles have small feet for their movement, but the snakes are there. Snake is a reptile which takes help of the scales for the movement. So the correct answer is a snake. So the answer, third question or the statement third, C is the option. C is the correct option. You just tick the snake. Snake is the correct option. Okay, now turn over the page. Page number 56. Now it is in the page 56. It was page 55. Okay. So now in the page 56, the next question is, which of the following animals changes its color according to its surrounding? We know which animals, the animals which are having camouflage character. We know what is camouflage. Camouflage means animal can change its color or changes its color, skin color, depend on the surrounding. Whether when they are in the grasses, they changes their color according to the grass. When they are on the leaves, they changes their color according to the leaf. Whatever the surrounding, they changes their color. So who can camouflage in these three animals? Who is having this camouflaging character? Cow, penguin and chameleon are given. So the answer should be chameleon, because we know chameleon is the animal who can camouflage or who can change its color. So the answer 4 or the fourth statement, the C answer, the C option is correct, that is chameleon. So correct this chameleon. Next one is the fifth one statement. Fifth one statement is, the seasonal mass movement of animals to a more favorable environment is called. So when they are moving for searching their food, for breeding grounds, and for some times for searching their shelter or to protect themselves from the enemies, these type of movement, mass movements are called what they are called? Migration. So we know the habitat, adaptation, and migration. So correct options are given here. So the C option or the migration is the correct option. So the fifth one, again the C option, that is migration. Migration is the correct option. Now next one we will see fill in the blanks. Here we will do fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question 1 is again given here. Question 1 is dash are hot and dry places. So polar regions, there are two options, polar regions and the deserts. Naturally deserts are the hot and dry places. So first fill in the blank is deserts. Deserts are the hot and dry places. Number 2, in deserts some animals bury themselves under the ground to keep them. In the desert there is too much hot, so the harsh this kind of harsh weather or this kind of the hot weather, maybe animal cannot survive. Just to keep them cool, they go inside the soil, and that is sometimes they burrow the soil and they keep themselves inside the soil, they keep themselves cool. So the answer should be cool, or you can write in desert some animal bury themselves under the ground to keep them cool. So the cool is the correct answer. Now the third fill in the gap. Dash are the largest habitat on the earth, ocean or rivers. We know oceans are having the largest area. It is more than the land area in our earth. So oceans are the places where a large number of animals can survive. So that is the answer. Oceans are the largest habitat on the earth. Write down third one is the oceans. Oceans are the largest habitat on the earth. Now the fifth one is crab breathe with the help of. How they breathe? Crabs, crab are actually which kind of animal they are? Crabs are, is it their aquatic animal or whatever they are? So crabs are actually their aquatic animal. So they inhale with the gill, and they gives out the carbon dioxide with the help of their gills. So the answer should be gills. Crab breathe with the help of, fourth one is gills. Now the fifth fill in the blank is given here. Dash can live both on land and in water, fishes and salamanders. We know amphibians are the animals who can survive in the water as well as on the land. So salamander is a amphibian. So we have to write the name of the, this is an example of the amphibian. So we will write the salamander. So salamanders are can live both on land and in the water. So the answer is salamanders. Fifth one is the salamanders. And the last one or the sixth statement is given here, or the fill in the blank is given here. Polar regions and high mountains are very dash places. Naturally, they are cold places. In the high altitude, the weather is very cool, and the high mountains like Himadri, Himalayas, they all are very cool, isn't it? So any mountain, when you're going to the higher altitude, they are all are very cold places, or the environment is cool. So here polar regions and the high mountains are very cold places. So the sixth one is cold. Okay, so all the fill in the blanks are given here. Now the next one is identify the animals in the picture and write their names in the spaces provided. So here we'll see this one is cricket. So the identify the picture. Identify the picture. First one is, what is it? It is a cricket. Second one is penguin, and third one is tortoise. So first one we will write, that is a cricket, or you can say actually it is a grasshopper. Grasshopper. Second one is, what is the picture? Second one picture, if we'll see the second picture, that picture is actually penguin. So we will write the penguins. And the third picture is, what is the third picture? Third is tortoise. So the third one is tortoise. So third one is the tortoise. First one was the grasshopper, second was in penguins, and third one is a tortoise. So write the name of these, identify these animals, and the very next match the column we will do. This one is the last we will do, and then the rest short answers we will do in our next class. Okay, so the match we will do, one more match we will do. The match is there, column A and column B. Prawn, second one is paramecium, earthworm, fourth one is grasshopper, fifth one is dolphin, so see, actually prawn will go with the D. It will match with the D, and the paramecium 2 will be match with the C. Earthworm will match with the A. Fourth, grasshopper will be match with the E. Last one, dolphin, will be matches with the 5, or it will be B. Okay, so the prawn will match with the prawn respires through gills. Parameciums respire through the body surface. Earthworm through the moist skin, that is A, and grasshopper will take or respire through the gills, and the last one is dolphin respire through the lungs. Okay, so the all short answers we have completed here. You just go through it, and the rest small questions we will write in my next class. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Kindly write in your book. Okay, thank you.